Again, like every time I mention, the best method to handle percentage problem is to just translate the sentence. Don't solve the equation in your brain. Usually you make careless mistake. So they say the cost is $250. And at the same time, it's now sold at the percentage profit is 20%. To understand the situation, we better draw the graph. From the shop owner view, we have the cost now is given $250, and then the selling price. From the cost to the selling price, it gives us a profit of 20%. That means it's growth for 20%. And then we have the market price in the price tag. After before discount is called the market price. After discount, that means there will be some deduction, which is the discount percent. Then we will get the transaction price, selling price. Now the question is asking for selling price. So just the left hand side can help us to finish the question. Just follow the arrow from the cost, perform this action, become the selling price. From the cost, something happened. We have extra 20% will become selling price, which means that cost extra 20%. That means 100% on top of original 100%. We have extra 20%. Now the cost is given 250, 1.2 times will equal to the selling price. So we don't need to solve equation. Everything is just in one side, so we just use calculator. Selling price is equal to 300. In part B, if the book is sold as a discount of 25%, so that means from the market price we deduct 25% after discount. So this is 25% now. We just use the same story, but this time we are focusing on right hand side. The selling price is fixed. We know that it's 300. So we just follow the arrow. From the market price, deduct 25%, will become 300. From the market price, 25% less will give you 300. Now translate very carefully. 25% less, that means on top of 100% original amounts, we deduct 25% from it. So, which means that 0.75 times of the market price of the original price will become 300. Based on this equation, it gives us very clear direction how we can remove this factor. It should be by division, divided by 0.75. Remember, 25% less, the opposite is not 25% more, but instead is divided by a factor. For percentage, we always talk about times or divide. So the market price is equal to 300 divided by 0.75, we get $400. Remember to solve the question logically, don't just by guessing.